Welcome, in front of me here is a Philips X818, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as kind of like this one. They come provided in a box, so you can get it from there, or you can always use something like a paper clip that has been just straightened out. This was at one point a paper clip, so it will work just fine as well. So let's just eject the SIM tray, which is located on the upper left side. You want to push it in and it will pop out like so. And from there you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM and one SD card. Now the SIM will be the second size, and it goes like so, and same way just on the other side if you wish to use two different SIMs. I'm gonna use a SIM and a SD card, so I'll place it like so you can see. Make sure it's laying flush and doesn't really like move anywhere. The SIM card has like a little lip right here, right on the front. That lip goes basically right here, so once it's in there it should be holding relatively well. So start sliding it in, actually the other way around. So I'm gonna flip the phone over. You can see both in there, and here's the SIM card, so let me just put in the pin for it, and SD card ready as well. So both of them are working, and that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.